So this large acquisition we made at the $20 million deal that we're buying for 14 or so and change. This is an example of a network acquisition. All right. So it is a multi-location practice that is resourced. It has the management team, and it has a 2 to 3 to 5 year growth plan that is going to look to significantly expand growth on its own. And there are, like this, so many different network players across the US today that I would say this is probably the smallest of the ones I've seen. I mean, we're looking at deals that are 40 million, 50 million, 60 million in revenue. And again, I think that's still scratching the surface. Well, here's an opportunity. Skylight has a platform today that, unlike others, has the ability to access equity capital through public markets that today nobody else does. It has the ability to incentivize sponsors by providing currency that will see value over time. And it has the ability as operators to let the management teams build and grow their companies. And so we're entering a phase where we are starting to see Skylight not just as a consolidator of independent, smaller sized transactions, which we are, and that still is very much a real target for us, but the ability for us to play within a much larger sandbox where today the only other option for these larger size players is a fixed multiple EBITDA exit to private equity where they may not get the same return long term, and it's not aligned with management. So, I am more excited now as this continues to grow. We're going to get access to a stronger market in the US from institutional support, strategic institutional capital, and we are going to be able to start to play within this sandbox. And I'm fully confident in saying that these are some of the deals right now that fit within the pipeline that we're looking at. And so from an M&A perspective, I've just upped my target in terms of what I think we can do over the next 2 to 3 years, just inorganically. And, I know people don't want to hear about organic, but you're talking, 100, 200, 300% return in growth on these companies organically. So, that's how you get to $1 billion quickly.